Hey folks, this is Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center. In today's presentation, we're going to talk about what business tools do you need to run your business successfully. Starting a business can be daunting, especially when juggling finances, paperwork, legal matters, and sales. It's only sometimes feasible to hire a team of experts away. Still, plenty of handy business tools and resources are available to help streamline operations and ease some of the owner's workload. Managing revenue, expenses, bills, and more becomes more manageable with the assistance of accounting software options designed for management. These tools are typically user-friendly and offer insights into the company's financial well-being without the need for an initial team of skilled accountants. When it comes to creating contracts, terms of service agreements, privacy policies, and other essential legal documents, websites and online resources provide guidelines and templates. Utilizing these templates can save time and money in the stages of launching a business, although having legal documents reviewed by a professional is crucial. Tasks like scheduling appointments, communication management, and document organization can be simplified using productivity tools such as email management software, project management platforms, and cloud storage solutions. Moreover, incorporating internet marketing and sales technology can enhance the customer base and drive sales, eliminating the need for a designated sales agent. E-commerce platforms, email marketing tools, and social media platforms are some examples of resources that can assist in advertising your business and attracting customers. Leveraging these business tools and services enables business owners to manage aspects of their company effectively, even with limited staff and resources, by enabling them to diversify operations more efficiently. Payroll details. Plenty of software options exist to improve workplace management and simplify HR operations. Time and attendance software aids employers in monitoring their employees' work hours for payroll processing and compliance with labor regulations. HR departments can benefit significantly from using contracts and templates for terms and conditions, which not only establish a basis for employment agreements, but also ensure consistency and legality in employment conditions. These templates can be customized to meet the business requirements while adhering to laws and standards. Employers can save time by utilizing payroll software. This software streamlines the calculation of employees' salaries, taxes, and deductions more efficiently than manual methods. Payroll software also helps minimize errors, ensuring that employees receive accurate payments. The adoption of these software tools not only saves time, reduces administrative burdens, and decreases the risk of errors and legal issues related to employment. HR professionals can focus on tasks such as fostering culture, nurturing talent, and enhancing employee engagement. These tools represent a few examples of what new business owners can employ. Having the tools is essential for completing tasks. Discovering the tools may take some exploration. To avoid a tricky situation, it is wise to attempt a task with the wrong or missing tool. Spending time acquiring the equipment will pay off. So folks, check out the link in the description to explore the steps for kickstarting your business. Our detailed guide offers a step-by-step approach to initiating your journey. And yes, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on content that can help broaden your understanding. Thanks for watching.